Now, this was the state of my hair the first time, as in before I detangled it so that I could wash it, and then proceeded not to. And being the curious person that I am, even took out my microscope to assess the damage. And this is why I say I'll never be bald-headed. Do you see how many hairs are growing out of a single follicle? When I detangled my hair, I put it in twists. They proceeded to take those twists out and then put it into a bun because I had to leave the house. But as I mentioned, didn't wash it for a few more days. And this is what happens when I do that. Now I got freeform locks in the back of my head. I should know better. Anyway, seeing as we are in this predicament, or shall I say it's me, I'm the problem. I thought this is the perfect time for me to try the new Cecred shampoo because it claims removes extreme oil, dirt, and buildup in one wash. I think I meet the criteria. So we really tested that theory. In case you haven't noticed, yes, the shampoo is purple. So if you have blonde color or highlights, it'll help with brassiness. Or if you have old henna like I might, do absolutely nothing. To be honest though, I don't really think I have any more henna left at this point, but never say never. And normally I would detangle pre-poop, so this is an abnormal wash day all the way around because it was just last minute. Like I could not go to bed, and that's saying something because who washes their hair at night and then sleep on wet hair, which is what I absolutely did. I don't know if you can even tell, but when I'm washing my hair, it is quite stiff. Like it did not want to move at the top. However, even though it is extremely tangled, one thing that I noticed, the shampoo is actually relaxing it, which generally does not happen. Usually as you cleanse, the elasticity comes back. So your curls springing up and becoming more defined is not going to make it easier to detangle. It will make it worse. So why am I doing it? Well, having boneless curls has one and only one benefit. There's no spring to sprung. The water is just weighing it down. So it's mostly a non-issue. But if your hair is curlier than mine, definitely don't do this. And by the way, when I did detangle, lots and lots of conditioner and water. I did not get that on camera. I was trying to get out of that shower as soon as possible. Never again will I do this. I don't even get in the shower. This is just for y'all. When I'm washing my hair, I just flip my head upside down. Unfortunately though, can't film that position. That's one setup that I have not figured out, but if you got a solution, please tell me. Now, as you may or may not know, if you see my cooking videos or follow me on Instagram, I've been on my homestead. So your girl been gardening and my nails have suffered. Like, what is even this length? Y'all know I hate having my nails this short, but getting stuff stuck underneath my fingernails is already sensory overload. I'm actually surprised I can tolerate making sourdough for that reason, but dirt, absolutely not. So they've been very short in order to fit in my gloves. However, I'm getting sick of it, so we're gonna need to add some razzle dazzle soon. And I know you don't care, but most people's concerned about me cutting my cuticles, around my cuticles, because they think that I am removing what is called the proximal nail fold. But what I'm taking off is just dead skin sitting on top of it. My skin struggles to exfoliate itself, so I'm gonna cut it off. Cut it, cut it, cut it, bow, cut it. Basically, my point is this entire flap of skin that you can see and that you can't see is a fold. That is the proximal nail fold, not this little piece of skin right here. Your actual nail plate extends up towards your first knuckle. So does your nail fold. Whatever you feel comfortable doing or not doing, totally up to you. Speaking of professional, nothing says I am a professional more than a website that reflects just that. Having a central location where clients and potential clients can schedule appointments instead of sending DMs is priceless. Like having a place that people can view your portfolio without having to necessarily rely on an algorithm to bring eyes to your work is also invaluable, and so much more. You can even send out newsletters to showcase promotions or holiday specials. And even if you don't do nails, all of those features are still available for whatever services you may offer both offline and online, including selling webinars or subscriptions or tangible merchandise. So if you haven't already, you can sign up at www.squarespace.com/abetweene for your free 14-day trial and save 10% off of your first purchase.